In today's interconnected world, education is more than what happens inside a classroom. It's about learning to understand ourselves and each other. Inclusive education isn't just a goal, it's the foundation for a fair and creative future. Because when every child belongs, every child learns better. Inclusive education means every learner, regardless of ability, language, or background, has equal opportunities to participate and succeed. When classrooms welcome diversity, something powerful happens. Children learn empathy, cooperation, and respect. They see differences not as barriers, but as strengths. Research shows that inclusive environments help all students, those who need extra support and those who don't, build stronger academic and social skills. Because in an inclusive classroom, success isn't measured by comparison, it's measured by growth. Teachers are not just instructors, they are facilitators of learning and belonging. They shape the classroom climate through empathy, patience, and creativity. Inclusive teachers use strategies like differentiated instruction, adapting lessons to each child's pace and style, collaborative learning, encouraging students to learn from one another, and positive reinforcement, recognizing effort, not just results. When teachers believe every child can learn, children start to believe it too. Every child learns through a mix of emotion, curiosity, and connection. Understanding child psychology helps teachers and parents support that process. Motivation grows when children feel safe, valued, and understood. Socio-emotional learning skills like managing emotions, showing empathy, and building relationships helps them thrive in school and in life. And confidence. It doesn't come from being perfect, it comes from being encouraged to try, fail, and try again. In a globalized world, English opens doors to education, technology, and international communication. But learning English should never mean losing one's identity or language. True global learning respects multilingualism and cultural diversity. When students celebrate their own languages while learning English, they gain both confidence and cultural awareness. Inclusive education is not just about access, it's about acceptance. It's about creating spaces where every child feels seen, supported, and inspired to reach their potential. As English connects the world, let inclusion connect our hearts. Teach inclusion. Inspire confidence. Build global citizens. Together, we can shape classrooms where every child learns not the same thing, but in their own way, at their own pace. Because education is not one path, it's a shared journey.